Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so hello and welcome everyone. We just had a 45-point move based on the CPI, right? So we're gonna trade this CPI. Let's see what the smart money is up to. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, good enough, right? Look at that. So the low, right? So we have this entire low is 35 and 78, right? Okay, so what's going to happen between 35 and 78, right? That's what we want to know. I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, we're going to pay attention to 72 and this 55 right here. This 55 right here is a swing low. So 55 is strong enough to hold. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. It's a swing low. Oh my God, Capi, we should have gone long, man, already. Look at that, 55 all the way to 64, 9 point. Yeah, relax, take it easy. Okay, so here's the plan. As long as this 55 is real, is holding, and coupled with the overall market direction, which, ladies and gentlemen, is slightly bullish. Okay, as long as the price doesn't take this 55, listen to this. As long as the price doesn't take this 55 right here, which is it's real. This 55 is a swing low, and it's strong enough to want to have the bulls continue banging it, right? Of course, we're going to have 55, 65. We're going to have a 10-point leap up and down, right? And but this is what the bulls are looking for: the lip retest of the 64, break it, and continue to 72. Alrighty, that's what we think is going to happen. Okay, so price right now 60. Right, look at that, 60. Okay, now time 9:21, 9 minutes to open, and we all know exactly what happens at the open. Now, what if? We're always asking ourselves, what if, right? What if price comes to 55, 56, and takes it? Where is it gonna go? Right? Takes 55, where's it gonna go? Well, I'm gonna tell you exactly where it's gonna go. It's gonna go to 45. All right. Okay, so 45, right? Here, this one right here. This baby price takes takes this swing low, right? Which it happens all the time. Then it's gonna continue going all the way to 45, right? So we're gonna be in a 45, 65 channel, 45, 65, 20-point channel, right? 20 point is nothing considering that the price just went 45 points up in a single bound, all right? So scenario number one, we're expecting 55 to hold, bounce a little bit, chop 55, 65, right? Eventually take 65 and continue to 72. Clean break of 55. Clean break of 55, right? Then the our sentiment is it changed to a bearish, expecting a continuation all the way to 45, and of course, what's the best risk reward ratio? Well, as close to 65 as possible, right? Okay. Alrighty, so that's the plan, ladies and gentlemen, so far. Okay, so let's see. Remember that we always want to know. We always want to know what the. We always want to know what the conventional retail technical analysts traders are doing, right? And as far as they're concerned, they are the price is on a well, actually, as far as they're concerned and as far as we are concerned right now, we are in a downtrend, right? Everybody can see that. But remember, who cares? We can see that we are in a downtrend, and the rest of the world can also see that we are in a downtrend. Big whoopee, right? Big deal. What we're interested is in what is going to happen in the future, what's going to happen next. That's what we're interested in. Alrighty then, so we are going to. Okay, what the hell is going on here? Let's go ahead and right. Let's get this prepare. Let's get this prepare so that right. So in case. I have a bearish vaccine booster, Capi. Okay, so let's see the short-term momentum. What do you say, Mister? What do you have? Bearish vaccine booster. Oh, okay, vaccine booster. Yeah. All right, bearish. All right, so it's in. All right, so bears, those guys that are already short 78, right, 75, 70, they're all um, these guys that are or and ladies, uh, they're counting on the price to take 55 and go to 45. Okay, so that was a what, a bearish booster and stick vaccine booster. Bearish booster. All right, so bearish vaccine booster is one of our setups, and being sure is gives confidence to the bears when they see that bearish setup, because they're counting on the price to actually take 55. We don't think it's gonna take it because we know 55 is an important uh, swing low. It's not gonna be that easy, right? So and we believe that the overall market direction, ladies and gentlemen, is slightly bullish. Okay. Okay. Right now, 926. We all know the open can destroy 55, right? Yes. And go to 45 in a single bound, right? We know that. Well, we'll see about it. Okay, 927. Okay. 27. 35. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so overall market direction is slightly bullish. Okay, on a single cycle condition. All right, what's a single cycle condition? Right, so if there is one thing that you want to know today, is this: it will not change. So out of balance and then single cycle are the toughest conditions in terms of having our forecast be accurate, a high probability of accuracy. Okay, so I just told you, right? We're expecting 55. 55 is this. Everything I just said, right? Okay, it's not high probability, and that's when we take it easy with the position size, right? Okay. Okay. But we know what to expect. We're expecting it to hold, little bounce, leap up and down, 55, 65, and eventually break the high of this 10-point channel, right? This 10-point channel right here, 55, 65. 10 point, we're expecting the price to break it and continue to 72. And then we'll take it from there. Okay? Alrighty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, clean break of 55. We know it's going 45. So it looks like the market likes the 10-point ranges today for some reason. That's what it's doing. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Right. Okay. So, all right. So here's the open. Okay. 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 Ladies and gentlemen. All right. 56. Okay. So, so our real um, action that we have to really be on the lookout is that the price doesn't clean break 55. All right. Okay. If the price wants to dance around 55, then that's exactly what the smart money um, is looking to do, is to confuse everyone here at the 55, right? So a lot of bears, they're gonna short 55 breakout. We, on the other hand, know that scenario number one is a bounce. You are long right now, 55. Price just went all the way back to 59, so you're up 4 points, and you know everything that I just told you, right? Bounce, leap up and down, eventually take the high of the channel, 10 points, right? And then uh, we have to wait to see what else is going to do, all right? But we all know that the overall market direction is bullish. That's why we went long right here, 55, which has made 4 points. And we all also know that this thing can easily drop 10 points in 10 seconds, right? So what are you gonna do, right? We don't want that to happen, but if it happens, then we have to protect our 55 and then see the bounce, and we and build back better. As long as there is not a clean break, we build back better. 55 all the way to 45. Clean break, we change hats, and then we would be going short beginning somewhere around here, 60. All right, so we're up 5 points, and we are expecting a continuation all the way to the other, to that 72 is right there. That's the logical first resistance. It's that one right there, which we expect the price to eventually break and continue going up. Okay, alrighty then. So, okay, but remember, 65 is just a conventional technical analysis, chart pattern formation. We couldn't care less about this. We only care about Prisatico's levels of support and resistance. But we need to know that 64, of course, there's going to be a whole bunch of bears uh, shorting, expecting to have themselves a nice risk reward ratio, just like uh, just like 69 and the other one, right? Just like 69 and the other one, right? Okay, okay. So hold on a second. This is not green, right? Okay, but the all right, okay. All right, so 61, right? So we're up 6 points, stop break even, start trailing, never let a winner turn into a loser. All right, if the price comes right back down, if there's no clean break of 55, we're gonna continue banging the long side. We're gonna build back better, right? And continue banging the long side as long as I don't tell you to change hats, right? So we just broke the structure of the current downtrend, right? We just broke that structure. Downtrend, it was broken when the price went to 61, and a whole bunch of bears jumping the gun. They don't know that the future is bullish, and they're those who took the 61, they're pretty good, nice. They just made 4 or 5 points in 5 seconds. They're really happy about it. Market right downtrend. It took it, and then we continue with our plan as stated. Clean break of 55. We know price is going to be looking to go to 45. We change hands, get rid of our long positions, and then we'll start looking to to short resistance, and then we're gonna let the price to go whatever it's gonna go. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So, all right, so here we go back to 61. Clean break of 61, which is what we want. Price is gonna continue to the high of the channel, 64, and we are confident that it'll continue going all the way to 68. All right, but of course, 61 is gonna stop it for a while. The bears don't know the future. They don't know that smart money is is looking to take the price up, right? So how do they do that? Well, they first need to take it down to take the stops of the weak bulls. Once they take all that money, then they're gonna bounce and continue going up. What's the first bounce? 45, right? All right. This 55 shot that we took long that went to 65, 61, right? We just made 6 points. And remember, we're gonna continue banging the long side. Alrighty. And what is it that we're doing right now? Well, we're cautious as to whether the smart money wants to break 55. We know if they do, they're just taking all these stops that are there, right? 55, 54, 53. All right, and we'll take advantage of it. Clean break will know that the smart money is willing to take it all the way to 45. If the overall market direction doesn't change, which right now is slightly bullish, then we're expecting a 45 holding a bounce, and then continue on its way up. Alrighty, so what are we doing right here? Well, we're really cautious right here, 55, 54. Okay, time right now 9:40, and and uh, and we'll see. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay, okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, boom. All right, 54. Right. Oh my God, Capi. Yeah, that's right. So now we believe that the Bears took back control and they're gonna take it all the way to 45. What's the price right now? Mistake 52. You go 52, yes, 53, right? Yep. Alrighty then. So now we are done. Uh, um, wanting to be long so far, just put it in the back burner. Short term, the tempo play is short now because we believe that the price is going to go all the way to 45, ladies and gentlemen. All right, break of 55, a clean break of 55, tell us that the price is going to continue to 45. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. So support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. 55, 56 is now resistant, not to mention 61, right? 61 is a great resistance. So the short-term play, right? The short-term play now is bearish. It's break of 55, expecting a continuation all the way to 45. So price comes right back down, right? There is those who had a limit short 55. Hey, listen, this thing, breaks 55. I want to have the first entry and be short because it's going to 45, so I want to make 10 points, right? That's one strategy. The other strategy is, and everybody knows this one, price breaks, give us confirmation, bounce, rally back to the 55 area, and that's where bears are going to start going short, right? This right here, this bounce right here, they're going to, so that they can have a better risk reward ratio. They are risking that they're risking that the price go from 55 all the way to 61. Those 6 points, they're risking that 6 points, right? Okay, bears. All right, we believe so much in that the price is gonna go to 45 that we're willing to establish a position short, yeah, here. All this area right here, 55, 61, right? So what's the mid range? 58, right? That's the mid range, 58, isn't it? Okie dokie. Alrighty then. All right, this thing can change. Remember, the overall market direction, ladies and gentlemen, is slightly bullish. It's slightly bullish, right? That's the overall market direction, the future intention of the trend. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the back burner. In the meantime, we are in a tempo play short, the breakout 55, expecting the price to go all the way to 45. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then we'll see uh, how the price behave at 45. If there is gonna be a change in direction, if there's gonna be a change in the market condition, any change is there's gonna be a new rotation. There's a lot of things that are gonna happen from now on, right? We're looking at them all. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure the this right here. Right. So price goes to 50, right? Alrighty, good enough. 50. So those of you who had coconuts and change hats still bear because half an hour ago, I already told you exactly what we were going to do. Hey, listen, scenario one is this. It went to 61. It gave us 6 points. Scenario number two, and we are looking at it. We're expecting it to happen so that when it happened, we are totally and completely prepared and we take action. That's it. Boom. It did it. Change hat, bear. We know that this range here is going to hold, and we're just waiting patiently for the price to go all the way to 45, right? All righty then, 45. Okay. Boom. Okay. Right. So those of you who that's 46 quarter, right? All right. So we made on our first entry, we made 6 points, and our second entry, we're just about to make 10 points. Boom. Is that what is that? That is. Yeah, that's 40. Is it to the tick? To the tick. Okay, so. All right, so. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So 45 to the tick, right? Yes. And sure, you continue watching. We're going to let it ride all the way to 38. Oh my God, Capi, no, I'm gonna take my my profits right here, man. Okay, sure, absolutely. Remember, let's see if you guys remember, right? That okay, give me 1 second, right? Remember what I told you, right? Smart money, okay. Bada bing, bada boom. That's 42 half, right? Okay, so there's no reason to lock here 45, right? You see how the price continue going down, continue going down, continue going down. let it ride all the way to 38, right? And we're done for the day, right? Let it ride all the way to 38. This is okay, 41, 3 more points. No, Capi, I'm gonna get out here, man. That's it. I'm not gonna risk this beautiful um, drop all the way from 55 to 40. Capi, I just made 14 points, man. I'm gonna get out 3 points before. Sure, no problem. Right? You haven't changed hats yet, so the overall market direction is still bullish. That's right. So I'm not gonna let it ride all the way to 38. Let me just go ahead and take my 14 points in 14 minutes. I'm done for today. See you tomorrow. Sayonara. Okay, sure. And that's a good what you call it? That's a good reasoning because remember the overall market duration, ladies and gentlemen, is slightly bullish. All right, so look, right? So we go to the low of the current downtrend. We've been in a broadband bearish trend since the CPI release. Okay, hopping up and down, hopping up and down. We knew exactly what to do at the low, right? We were expecting a continuation up. It didn't happen. We were prepared to change hats. We did. We wanted 10 points. We got 14. And the future intention of the trend is still bullish. All righty? Okay, so between 45 and 40, that's support. What? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so it's a being long, right, below 45. When you get out right here, when I told you, sure, get out here 41, right? You get out 41 for two reasons. Reason number one, you want to lock in 14 points on your second trade, right? You want to lock in 14 points. And you know that if I don't change hats in terms of the future, we are still bullish. Have I said the overall market direction changed to bearish?
No, you have not.
Exactly. If I don't say it, then whatever I said last stays.
Yeah.
All right, so we go, of course, 35 right there, right? 35 is the low. That would be the best risk reward ratio entry long, but we all know that many times price just not gonna go there, right? Alrighty then. Okay. All right. So what is it that I'm expecting now? Well, I'm expecting the price to continue honoring this downtrend channel and go to 50, somewhere around 50, and then it's gonna find resistance. It's gonna continue going down. Our current play is short 55. All right. Okay, that's the main play. Main play is short 55. All right, there's no question about it. All right, so what do we want, right? Because we're out only once here, 40, 45, right? So what do we want? We have two more units bearish. What do we want? Well, what do you think we want? We want the price to continue going down all the way to 35 as target 2 and break it and continue going down, right? So that all we do is just manage our current main play, which is short, change of hat to bear, breakout 55, target 1 right here, 41, right? 41, 45, anything below. Look how the price goes all the way. This is just momentum. Anything below 45 all the way to 41, these 4 points, it's just momentum, right? This bounce right here is the strength of the 45 that takes it back to 45, and then bears go. They add to a winner right here at 45. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So let me see. Let me see. 35. Right. This 35 right here is just a double bottom, right? This is just a conventional sharp pattern formation. Right? Retail traders, they're gonna go long there no matter what, just because it's a double bottom. We pre-cyclical traders, we couldn't care less that. Well, actually, we do care because we need to know what the conventional retail traders are doing all the time. We know there's gonna be a bounce right there, but what everybody wants to know is the price gonna take it, and if it is, where is it going, right? Exactly. All right. So the counter trend long here, 41, right? 40. You get out here, 41 to lock target one, 14 points. And remember, the overall market direction is slightly bullish. So it's perfectly okay to go long this momentum right here, this push. Look at that, back to 45. Those of you who had a limit long 45, not only to get out, but to get in long, because you want to go with the future, then terrific. Look at that, 45, 46, 47. Those of you who waited for the bounce, retest, look at that. Price comes right back down all the way. It cannot take the 40.75. What does that do? You know that the future is bullish. So you're looking to counter trend long. Counter trend because remember, any longs that we take is a counter trend because the main play, make no mistake about it, is the break of that 55. This is the main play that we want, that we're still carrying some bearish ammunition. That we want the price to come back all the way back down to this target 141, break it 35, and I still don't know what the real target 2 is, but this is a 35. Of course, it's a temporary target. In the meantime, you guys on your micros account, you're long right here, 40, 41, because you know two things. Number one, the overall market direction is still bullish. And number two, remember what I told you. This bounce is going to take it to the high of the current downtrend, right? 50. Is that 50 mistake? Didn't I say 50 like 50 seconds ago? Yes, you did. All right, so everybody knows. And this is how you take it. It's gonna go all the way back to 55, by the way. And this is how you day trade the S&P 500 at a professional, utmost professional, beautiful level. Period. That's it. That's all there is to it. Alrighty? You take advantage of every single move. Boom, we were long, then we change hat down. We know this is support. Let's not get all out of our current short because we wanna ride it, but we also gonna take another. We're gonna take another shot at a counter trend, and while the price rallies, recalls, and go its continuation to the downside, we're just making 10 points right here on this bounce. Think about that, right? Take advantage of every single move. The easiest thing to do is to have two accounts. If you don't want to have two accounts, just on the same account, you can have the ES and the micros, right? Okay.